All right, so we would like to use the sum of angles formula to figure out sine of 15 degrees. And our hint is that 15 degrees is 45 plus negative 30. Okay, so first things first. I want to write down sine of 15 degrees is sine of what? 45. 45 degrees plus negative 30 degrees. Okay, then what? And what do I have to be careful of? Blake.
Having it completely wrong.
So close. But it goes in the right formula, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm doing a sine thing, so I gotta go find my sine sum of angles formula, which is the one that looks like what?
Sine, cosine.
Cosine of the first thing, sine of the second thing, plus sine of the first thing, cosine of the second thing. Okay, so what's the first thing? 45. And negative 30 is the second thing. Okay, now some of these should be easy, right? Cosine and sine for 45? 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2? No. Okay, so I'm just filling those bits in because I know them. Then there's going to be more complicated bits.
Yeah.
Okay, why are these bits more complicated? Yeah, because I need to think about negatives because this is a backwards angle, right? So it's outside of my usual. Okay, so quick thought off to the side. Minus 30 is in which quadrant? 4? Okay, so there's my minus 30. So here's my triangle that I'm looking at, right? And I should, 30 is my reference angle, yeah? Okay, and then I need to flip this triangle that I have left over from something else. So I've got my 30-degree triangle oriented properly now. And sine of minus 30 is? Negative 1/2. Okay, perfect. Right? This side's going down in my head. Okay. How about the cosine? Is it negative or positive square root of 3 over 2?
Positive because the x's are going.
Positive, good, because the x's go the kind of appropriate direction. You guys see that? Another way you could think about this, right, is that the usual triangle lives in the first quadrant. Yeah? So this triangle really has sides square root of 3, 2, and minus 1. You guys see that? Okay, once I'm here, what do? Multiply it out. So your first term is what? Negative 1 over 2 root 2. Plus, what do you got in the other one? Square root of 3 over 2 root 2. Gives you all told here. Square root of 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2. And this is sine of 15 degrees. Cool? Are the square root of 3 and then negative 1, are those like terms? Can I combine those? No? Why not? Explain me why not. Why does order of operations tell you that those are not like terms? Because they're not alike. Good. Really? Okay. Settle for this. Connie, what's my order of operations acronym? The one that I teach you guys?
Which one?
The one that I teach you guys. Does anybody have me remember the order of operations acronym?
Gatherings
Good.
Multiplication, subtraction.
So lots of you guys have this PEMDAS thing, right?
It's schema.
Okay, I'm taking that away from you and giving you this one instead. Because the PEMDAS one doesn't tell you why this doesn't work. Right? GEMA is grouping exponents, multiplication, and addition. Right? So the grouping is the key here, because that 3 is grouped under this square root. Okay, see that? So I've got to do that first, which is why I can't subtract the 1 from the 3, because that comes after that grouping symbol. That's cool with that? Okay. Any other questions on the actual execution of this? Okay.
Why don't you just use this formula because it's much easier? Or the distance angles?
Because I don't want to memorize another formula. I'm lazy. Yeah, if you want to memorize the difference of angles formula, it will totally work for problems like this. Go for it.